In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam Api64.Dll not found error for PS 2020. This is a common issue that many players face, and luckily, it's quite simple to resolve. Let's dive right in and get your game running smoothly again. First up, you'll need to visit a trusted site to download the Steam API.Dll file. Make sure you are accessing a legitimate source to avoid any potential malware. Once you're on the site, it's important to locate the latest version of the DLL file that corresponds with your system requirements. Keep an eye out for any instructions specific to the site you are using, as these can vary. After you've successfully downloaded the DLL file, the next step is to head over to your File Explorer and locate your Downloads folder. This is typically where your newly downloaded file will be waiting for you. Go ahead and open that folder. Inside your downloads, you should find a zip file that contains the DLL file. You'll need to extract this file to gain access to its contents. Right-click on the zip file and select the option to extract. You may need a program like WinRAR or 7-Zip if your system doesn't have built-in extraction tools. Once extracted, you'll have the DLL file ready to go. Now, you need to copy this file. Make sure you have copied it properly so that you can paste it in the correct location in the next steps. Now, open your File Explorer again and navigate to your local disk, usually labeled as the C drive. Once there, find the Windows folder and double-click to open it. You're looking for one of two folders, either System32 or SysWow64. The one you choose depends on whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. If you're unsure, remember that most modern systems are 64-bit, but you can verify this by checking your system settings. Now simply paste the DLL file you copied into the appropriate folder. System32 for 32-bit systems or SysWow64 for 64-bit systems. If prompted, confirm any dialog boxes requesting administrative permission. After pasting, you should find that the Steam Api64.Dll not found error has been resolved. To ensure everything works properly, restart your game, and voila, you should now be able to enjoy PS 2020 without any hitches. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you fix the issue quickly and easily. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same problem. Remember to check back for more tutorials and tips. Have a great day, and happy gaming.